Yeah, hey there, it's Paul here from freedomtraderpro.com. Now, in this video, I want to talk about backtesting on TradingView using an iPad in the TradingView app, okay? This isn't on a browser, this is using the app that you can download from the App Store. And I'm going to use the bar replay function just to show you how it works on an iPad. Now, the reason I wanted to create this video, I actually had one of my followers ask me, they've got a beaten up old laptop, and they wanted to ask me if this function was available on an iPad and kind of how it worked, and if it worked similar to how it does on a computer or on a browser sort of thing. So I just thought I'd create this quick video and show you how it kind of works, okay? Now, if you've used the bar replay function before, this is going to be basically exactly the same in the app. It never used to be on the app, but they've actually added it in the app over the last few weeks. So if you just click on these three buttons here, these three dots, sorry, at the bottom of the screen, you can click on bar replay here, and it's going to bring up this blue line, as you can see. I've actually got a magic keyboard on here, so it's going to highlight that, but it's the same whether you've got, you know, if I just use my finger or the magic keyboard, it's exactly the same. Just go to wherever you want to take the chart back to, so I'm just going to pick a point there, and then you can just, as I say, you can move it around, you can mark it up exactly as you would. If you want to put trend lines on here, or if you want to, you know, whatever indicators you use, whatever way that you mark up your charts, you can do those in exactly the same way, whether you're in the app or whether you're on a browser or whatever it is. So we're on the 8-hour chart. As I say, you can just click this and you can play it back candle by candle, the same as you would. You can, as I say, you can see it moving here. We can just click that and it's going to move on. We can press play and we can adjust the speed here. So you can do it there and it moves a lot quicker. We can adjust the speed back the same as we would be able to. That's going to take you to the end of the chart. And I'm just going to pause this a minute. If you click on that, you can again move it back to wherever you wanted to move it to. And when you come back here, you can actually change the time frame. Again, it's exactly the same as that you can do in a browser. And again, if you go back too far on a larger time frame and you try and go down too small, you're going to get this kind of not enough data problem, which I'm sure you're aware if you've been using the backtesting before. If you try and go back too far, it will just say that data is not available. So, as I say, we can start playing it back here on the 4-hour chart. Let's just speed that up a little bit so you guys can see. Okay, so we can pause that. We can change it to the 2-hour chart or the 1-hour chart, whatever you want. And you can, as I say, you can still move this around. You can you know, you can put annotations on there, you can put indicators on there, you can put whatever you want. And then, as I say, you can just play this back as you normally would in a browser. So it works exactly the same as it would if you're using it on Chrome or whatever. I don't use this feature a massive amount myself, but I have the times that I've used it and the times that I've tested it, it does actually work very, very well. There doesn't seem to be any problems with it. As I say, that will just take us back to the current position. We can close that off there. As we can click this and go bar replay again. Now let's just change this to a daily chart, and we can move. Let's just get this bar replay. Because I already have one playing, we can just take it back to there. And as I say, then we can move down to the 15-minute. So you can basically do whatever you want here. And if we just start playing there, it's just going to start playing out the 15-minute. So as I say, you can set it in one time frame, you can move around, you can do all this kind of stuff. As I say, it works exactly the same way, and it works as well as it would do if you were on a browser, but you've got everything that you need right here on your iPad. As I say, I've got the 11-inch iPad with the cellular option, so I can log into all my accounts, I can log into my VPS server, I can kind of do what I need to do if I'm not at home, if I'm not by my laptop, whatever it is. Okay, so yeah, it's definitely worth, you know, I mean, I do use my iPad for the majority of my trading. So you could use an iPad exclusively for your trading, and you've basically got all the tools at your disposal that you need. So anyway, hope you found this video helpful. If you're brand new to this channel, please consider subscribing. I do try to put up a couple of videos each and every week to help you move forward in your journey, and I look forward to talking with you real soon. Take care.